Hi, so there's different ways of doing average, and this is spreadsheet assignment 4. Try and work it out on your own first, but here's some help if you need it. Average could be mean, median, or mode, and we talked about this in class. So the mean would say add up those three numbers and divide by how many numbers there are. So we could do it the long way. We could say equals, I put a bracket for sum of those three numbers. Close the bracket and divide that answer by 3, because there's three numbers. Good to know what that means, okay? Or we could just use this function called equals average. Oops. As you start to type, all the different options come in here. There's one called average. It opens a bracket for you. Of these three numbers, we close the bracket, and we should get the same answer. The median is also a function for that, equals median. Okay, and it tells you median value, numeric data set, and that is just the middle number. Okay. And the mode, if you want to do that, equals mode. And that says the most occurring number, and sometimes it's not available because there's none that occurs more than once, so they're all the same. Okay, so we can do that for average value. Remember, I could do that again for this one and for this one and for this one, or I could just take this and drag it down because it copies that formula and it figures out that you want the average of the two things before or three things before me. Okay, average value of the cards, I could do the same thing vertically, equals average. And average all these guys. Oops, hang on, I shouldn't have included the total value of collections, right? So can I redo that one? Let me try again from here up to there, because I shouldn't include the total, right? And the highest value, there's a formula to do that, equals max bracket of those numbers. And similarly, well, let's do it out of these ones, so I'm going to add those guys. And minimum says, or lowest value is equals to minimum bracket of all the cards. Okay, so this is just a little review for you. Okay.